Hello and welcome back to Scaled Down Customs. So this will be part 2 of the Aoshima Pagani Huayra build. In part 1 we finished the front frame assembly. So that's done. We're going to set that aside and move ahead. And next in our instruction sheet we have cockpit assembly. So we're going to start doing that. So same process as before. We're just going to find the parts, clean them off, prime and paint. Alright, so I got my next batch of parts all cleaned up and ready for some primer. So just stuck on my hobby sticks with either blue tack or alligator clips. And of course there's some really small pieces there. But anyway, so I'm going to go get this sprayed with primer. For my primer I'm just going to be using the Mr. Surface 1000 thinned down with some leveling thinner. So I'm not going to show that, I'm just going to go spray that and come back and we'll move on. Alright, so I got the primer on there, and then I've sprayed just some black because I'm going to two-tone the interior. So you can't really see, but I did some carbon fiber graphite just on some of the sides here, and then black in the middle. So we're going to mask this off because I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to two-tone this. So it's going to be tan and black. Well, three-tone I guess because carbon fiber on the bottom. So anyway, let's mask these off and then we'll paint them tan. So for my leather, I just used Zero Paints. I've just got a couple of their leather colors. The Ferrari interior Ferrari package, so I've got the reds and a couple of the tans. So that's just the Zero Paints color. So let's take the tape off and see how we did. Looks like I'm going to have a little touch up to do on some of these edges, but I'll see that looks pretty good. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. This is how it'll go. So that'll be the final look once we get those assembled. Not too bad. Again, I got a little touch up to do, but that should clean up nicely. And yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's keep moving ahead. Alright, so we're getting close to doing some assembly. And before we do that, I want to get some of these decals on. So let's do that. Alright, I almost forgot the carpet before I started gluing in seats. So let's do that now. So I'm just using some Mod Podge, just some matte white glue, and I've got some Ken's Custom Fuzzy Fur and my tea sifter. So let's put some carpet in. All right, I guess my camera decided to run out of space before I could get this thing all put together, so apologize for that. But there we go, there's the interior finished up. I think that came out pretty good. A lot of detail, a lot of tiny parts. A lot of time went into this, as you can see. And I apologize for not posting more. It's been a really busy summer, so I'm going to get this video finished up and post it up for you guys, so at least you can see a little bit of what I've been working on lately. And also the doors. So we've got these parts finished up, and next is going to be rear chassis assembly and the drivetrain. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.